In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a video using script using AI tool. It's absolutely free for joining. So this link I will check in my video description for easy access. You need to log in here with your Gmail. This is enough for everything. I'm going on this website. First, I'm going on ChatGPT. Then I type 5 facts about of India. This AI tool write me a script for me. I copy this script, then going on this website. This link I will in my video description for easy access. Then go to this script to video. Here are paste my script. Anyway, you are able to use this tool using your mobile phone as well. So mobile phone and PC, this is the same method. Actually, you need to just follow my instruction. Then you can see, just click on process, then wait only few seconds. It's depend on your internet speed. Then you can see preparing storyboard. So I'm waiting few seconds. I'm back very soon. Wow, my video are pretty good and ready for downloading. You can see here are, if you have found any mistake, did you know India is full of surface? So anything mistake you are able to correction here. If I playing this video, if you want to add a voiceover artist right now, just click on here, upload voiceover, apply AI voiceover. You can just click on first option and you can use second option as well. I select first of all this one.
The only thing to do with good advice,
Adam.
Allow the world to live as it chooses.
Okay.
And allow yourself to live as you choose.
This is really good. I select Adam male option, and then you can select any others as well. This is the same method. Here are free and paid, two option here. So I select only free voiceover artist.
Did you know India is full of surprises?
It's really good and awesome. I really like this video. If you have if you want to add any more image, any more images, you can recursion here. You are able to replace this image. If you don't like this image, you can add more image. Everything you are customizable and customize. Then just click on download button, then click on downloading. You can see it's already downloading. All right, now.
Did you know India is full of surprises? Here are 5 amazing facts about this incredible country. Fact 1. World's largest democracy. India is the world's largest democracy, with over 1.4 billion people. That's like combining the populations of the US, Indonesia, and Brazil. Fact 2. The birthplace of chess.
Wow, these videos are really good. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. If you have any questions, please comment below. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.